I'm Stacy Center.
I'm Justin Fitzgerald. Brian Cornett.
My name is Braden Van Cleve, apprentice lineman.
Apprentice lineman. I'm a four-step apprentice.
I'm a journeyman lineman at EWEB. I've been at EWEB almost 21 years.
I've been here 5 years. About 3.5, 4 years.
I've been an apprentice for 3.5 months now.
Being busy, being the one to call when people are out of power.
We do lots of repairs to our existing infrastructure.
Yeah, learning new things every day.
Probably just the variety of work, always something new, a great group of guys, and just a great experience.
Well, I started out at UWeb as a flagger. I was here for, I think, almost 2 years before I got an apprenticeship. Go through Saturday school during the winter, and you go to Camp Aurelia for 10 days every year. You get monthly progress reports from your peers, so you always know where you're at, how you're doing, if you need to improve on something. Nothing's hidden in an apprenticeship, so everything's in the open for you to know, and it's your apprenticeship, you do it how you want to do it. It's more than just a job, it's a family, it's a brotherhood, everybody's looking out for each other. You're not out here alone. It's the biggest thing you gotta remember.
We pretty much all watch each other's back. We have lots of rules that we have to follow, and we've all went through the same apprenticeship, and we generally get along, so.